my name is Nina and I love to go camping. I'm going camping today, so I'm going to show you guys what I like to pack for myself. I'm going to show you guys the clothes I like to bring. Usually I think about the weather first, the toiletry, makeup, skincare, and anything extra that I can fit in my bag. So this is my duffel bag. This is the North Face 42-liter base camp Voyager. This color is actually discontinued and it took me a while to find this, but one day I was just searching for this specific color. It's called boysenberry, and there was like a listing on eBay for like $97 and I bought it right away. Before I was using this backpack, which can like literally fit in here, but this was like way too small and I wanted something that had a top open like this. I like to use these packing cubes, and these were actually gifted from my friend for my birthday. They're from REI and it came in this 3-pack. This one's like large, medium, and then small. So for the small one, I like to put all of my underwear and socks. This medium size, for like a one-day camping, this can fit all of my clothes. And then the big one, I usually use it to just kind of keep my jacket together so it's not just like everywhere. So I'm gonna be going camping with my partner, and he said that we're going to Thomas Mountain, and we've already been there like 2 times. So this is, what area is this? San Jacinto State Park. So it's gonna be 75, the highest today. If it gets hot, I'm gonna wear these shorts. I'm gonna wear this top from Princess Polly, super cute. I'm gonna bring this cardigan. This is my pajama. I got this in Japan at Uniqlo. This is Miffy, this regular tank top to sleep in. So we're also gonna be in elevation. So I'm gonna be bringing this insulated layer. This is the Puff Tech jacket from Uniqlo. Then over that, I'm gonna be bringing this windbreaker. It's like pretty thick. I also got this one in Japan. It's the brand. But I really like this one. It has like huge pockets and it's hooded and I can cinch. Now for my toiletry. I just got this bag from Aloha. The essentials that I have in here is my toothbrush. I like to have this cover. This is my water-based cleanser. I have mascara remover. This is my mirror, and then I keep pimple patches and hairbands. Oil cleanser, I keep it in a Ziploc bag because I feel like it leaks. Moisturizer, I take this one camping because it's thicker and I feel like when I go camping it's more dry where I am. I'm gonna bring an eyebrow pencil, lash curler, and this one is a non-waterproof mascara. I'm gonna wear out my Solomons today because these are gonna be good on the trail. When we're off-roading, I'm always spotting, so it's good for me to have good footing. And then when we make it to camp, I like to switch into my North Face slippers. There's like a big gash on it because I was climbing a rock and I scratched it, but it still works. I'll probably patch it up. And then I have these Dr. Scholl's insoles just to make it more comfortable. I like to put it in a hairnet. Cover the soles like this, and then I just toss it in there. I'm not sure how much this camera is capturing of my outfit, but I'm wearing that white top from earlier, and then I have these low-rise like cargo pants. These are from Urban Outfitters, and then this is from Princess Polly. And then I'm gonna have these sunglasses that I got on Amazon. Wait, one more thing. I'm gonna wear a ring like that, and then I'm gonna wear the shell necklace just to add to the outfit because camping can be cute. My partner is on his way to pick me up, so I'll see you guys when we're at the trail. Bye. We made it to the trailhead. Here's Southwell next to me. Justin is airing down right now. So the very top yellow post site got taken. There's a lot of people here, especially a lot of groups. We didn't have any luck today and we didn't secure the very top spot, but at least we have kind of this area, which is a little bit before the peak. And right now we're just going on a walk to this little plane that we saw because it looks really pretty. It's like right there. We're trying to get there just to check it out. And we were like, wouldn't it be amazing if we could get the car there? But anyways, as I was saying, I said something pretty deep earlier. I said the only reason why it's so pretty is because people can't get there with their cars. This is it. This is the spot. It's so pretty. I don't know if you could see it, but the clouds are like really dense and it looks really pretty. I wish I could zoom in on this camera. Hold up. Got a crazy idea. A very innovative one. Look at that. That's what it looks like. It's like super dense. Holy. So we parked the car in a way to block it from the people that are over there. This side, I think we're blocked with the bushes right there, so we're okay, but now we're gonna set up camp.
Okay, strong girl.
Okay, so update. The sun is going down. We're gonna set up the fire soon, and Justin is working on getting our dinner. Tonight we're gonna have mentai pasta. My fingers are freezing, and the clouds are coming in. So yeah, we need that. We need that fire going.